In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. If you are working with AI-generated text, verifying originality is essential for credibility, academic integrity, and search performance. Grammarly's built-in plagiarism checker makes this process straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it and how to interpret what you see. Start by opening the Grammarly editor, either in your web browser or through the desktop application. Choose whichever is most convenient for you. They work similarly for this task. Make sure your app is up to date so you can access the latest features. The plagiarism checker is typically available with premium plans, so if you don't see the option later, that may be why. Once the editor is open, create a new document. If your content is already written, you can paste your AI-generated text directly into the blank document. If your text is saved as a file, you can upload it instead. This helps preserve formatting and ensures you are checking the exact version you plan to use. Give the document a quick scan to confirm the text loaded correctly, especially if you copied from another tool. Next, activate the plagiarism checker. Look to the bottom right of the Grammarly interface and click the plagiarism button. Grammarly will compare your text against a large database of web pages and academic sources. This scan can take a few seconds to a minute depending on length, so let it run until the results appear. Now, review the results carefully. You'll see a percentage that estimates how much of your text is similar to existing online content. Treat this as a guide rather than a verdict. Grammarly underlines sections it believes match other sources and provides links to those originals. Click the links to open the sources in your browser and compare the wording in context. Short, common phrases or widely used definitions may be flagged even though they're not necessarily problematic. Focus on longer or distinctive passages that align closely with a single source. Grammarly may also suggest citations. Use these prompts to decide whether a formal citation or quotation is appropriate, especially for facts, statistics, or unique phrasing you want to keep. If a highlighted section isn't meant to be a quote, consider paraphrasing it in your own words while preserving the original meaning. The goal is to maintain your voice and ensure proper attribution when needed. And that's the full workflow. Open Grammarly, add your text, run the plagiarism check, and review the matches and citation suggestions thoughtfully. Thanks for watching.